Good morning, friends. Today we are going to learn the topic of icebreakers of the poem Indian Weavers. Icebreakers are the personal response that we have to write answers according to your opinion. The first questions of the poem. Artisans are also called craftsmen. They are creators of diverse goods and use their hands to create unique, functional, and also decorative items using traditional techniques. Now complete the web given below. The different types of artisans in the society. The first alternative is given in the textbook goldsmith. My goldsmith is a person who makes gold. Then carpenter. Carpenter is a person who makes various wooden things. Then tailor. A tailor who has used his technique to make various types of dress. Then potter. Potter makes various types of pots. Then painter. Painter is a person who makes various painting. Then blacksmith. Blacksmith is a person who makes metal things. And last one, weavers. Weavers is a person who weaves various types of dress. These are the artisans in the society. Then second questions, discuss with your partner the seasons, occasions when we use the following cloths. The four cloths are given to us: woolen cloths, casual cloths, rich silk cloths, colorful comfortable cloths. The first A, woolen cloths. Woolen cloths that we use in the winter season. The casual cloths that we use daily or regularly. The third one, rich silk cloths that we use to wear at the time of wedding ceremonies and festival seasons. The last type, the colorful and comfortable clothes. This type of cloth that we used to wear at the time of formal program and party. Then the third icebreakers questions. Let us play a game. The teacher will ask the students some questions. Students will answer. There are some exceptions to the general rules. Let us start. The first is one who waves is a waver. Waver is an agent noun. In such a way, we have to give an answer. Second one who plays a game is a player. One who sings is a singer. One who dances is a dancer. One who teaches is a teacher. And one who cooks is a cook or chef. Weaver, player, singer, dancer, teacher, and cook or chef is a agent nouns. Then third questions of the icebreakers. We have often seen the pictures of Gandhiji's spinning on his charkha. Discuss the reasons behind this. One has been given for you. The first alternative of the reasons, to give rural people an opportunity to earn their livelihood. Then apart from that, the take initiatives of the Swadeshi movements. See, it becomes a symbol of self-sufficiency. And last one, it symbolizes the soul of Satyagraha. These are the four alternatives of Gandhiji spinning on his charkha. Once again, I repeat the answers. To give rural people an opportunity to earn their livelihood. Second, take initiatives of the Swadeshi movements. Third, it becomes a symbol of self-sufficiency. And the last one, it symbolizes the soul of Satyagraha. But this is the reasons that's why Gandhiji spinning on his charkha. Then next questions of the icebreaker. Name some tools used by the weavers. The tools used by the weavers are, one alternative is given, loom, another one needle and scissors. Name some types of yarns used by the weavers. The yarns used by the weavers are linen, silk, cotton. These are the questions of icebreakers. It is used in a personal type questions. We have to give your answers according to your knowledge as well as your experience. I hope you understand all those questions that are given in the poems Indian Weavers Icebreakers. I hope you will understand it. Now you have this is a homework for you. You have to write the answers of all the questions of the icebreakers. Thank you.